Music is amazing in its ability to set the mood. Some songs put you in the mood to do naughty, naughty things to spicy, spicy senoritas. While other songs more relaxing and help you get your inner namaste action on. But there are some songs that get you in the mood. Bust your ass in the gym. So get fired up and pumped up, you want to work out, grab some weights, and rep it out 220 pounds for 17 reps. And so today, in an attempt to help you bust your own ass a little harder in the gym, I'm going over the AaMaLphaM top 10 best workout songs that are guaranteed to pump you the up. So as you're gonna see from my list of workout songs, my musical taste is all over the board. But the problem was when I sat down to actually write out this list of my top 10, I came up with more than 10, and so this 10 is actually 13. If you like this topic and you like the idea of stepping a little bit outside of the box, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, down in the comments, I wanna know what your favorite workout song is. And if you guys are anything like me and love listening to music, whether or not it's when you're home, relaxing, chilling with the spicy senorita, playing basketball, or working out, you have got to check out today's video sponsor, Cove. It's a Bluetooth speaker that is ridiculous. This thing is insane. And what's even more insane than that is the discount they're giving you. Regularly, this thing retails for like $199, but there's a discount code down below, Alpha65, that's gonna give this to you for 65% off. If you're interested, this thing's only like 70 bucks, and the quality, the sound is absolutely insane. I happen to be a portable speaker connoisseur. Actually, this one isn't portable. Sonos. I bought like 4 of these for my home. They're like 200 bucks each, and they're okay, but this thing kicks its ass. The first reason why the Cove kicks Sonos's ass is it's portable, right? See this? This is a cord, no cord here. This thing lasts 8 hours on a single charge. This thing has a cord, it's heavy, it's not portable. This thing you can throw in your bag, in your computer bag, or even your glove box. It connects to any Bluetooth device. You can connect it to your phone, you can connect it to your computer. It also has 2 different modes. It's got indoor and outdoor. This thing has a subwoofer. I mean, it is like super crazy powerful, and the sound quality is super crisp and incredible. Guys, if you do not have a speaker or you're looking to upgrade yours for an insane price, I don't know how long supplies are gonna last at this price, guys, so if you're interested, do not wait. Hit that link, enter the code Alpha65 to grab this for 65% off. I'll list all the artists and songs down below, so if you want to check them out and go download them or just see how your boy rolls, you can definitely do that. But number 1, and these are in no particular order, number 1 is my boys over at Public Enemy with the song Bring the Beat Back. When I first heard the song Bring the Beat Back, I was like, oh my god, this is an incredible song. Come to find out, it's almost like 20 years old, but it is insane. And it's just got a really good like bass line, and Chuck D is killing it, and it definitely gets me fired up. Number 2, Kid Rock, Bawitdaba. I don't even know how to pronounce the freaking name of the song. All I know is that it is badass. When I first heard Kid Rock like years ago, when he first came onto the scene with Devil Without a Cause, that CD, I think it was a CD when I had it, that song was like it, right? It got me so fired up. I'd listen to it like before wrestling matches. It was just a great song, and it kicks ass. Number 3, Beastie Boys. The song is Sabotage, which I absolutely love. Another one of those songs that is an oldie but amazing-y. Is that even a word? I just love it. Every time I hear it, it just like, it hits, and it makes me like just want to freaking run or work out or lift. It's just awesome. Whatever. I dig the song. Number 4, Guns N' Roses, Welcome to the Jungle. Guns N' Roses, another one of those old songs, and this dates me, but I remember when that came out, and it was like my mind exploded with awesomeness. It's just got a really upbeat, sort of aggressive sound, and Axl Rose and Slash and Duff and all those guys were definitely killing it. And I'm not a hairband like type of guy, but they weren't really hair. They were more like rock, and they just kicked ass. Number 5, Marilyn Manson, The Beautiful People. Marilyn Manson, when he first came out and I first saw him, I'm like, what the hell is he? He scared the crap out of me. But his songs are definitely, they're smart. He's a smart guy, and And that song specifically, there are a few others like Rock is Dead that he does that I absolutely love. And when they come on, when I'm working out, it is definitely next level stuff. Number 6. White Zombie, the song More Human Than Human. I'm not a huge White Zombie fan, but there are a few songs that I've recently discovered on like one of the Pandora stations that I listen to when I'm working out that is just, it gets me going, right? It's a great song. He's another interesting dude, and that song just kicks a lot of ass, and so does number 7. Rage Against the Machine. You can't have a list of incredible workout songs without including Rage. There are a few songs. Testify I love, Bulls on Parade, I love that song. Those two, in my opinion, are two of the hardest songs that they do that are just incredible. Lots of energy, and they're just talented. But once again, it's sort of an older band, just classic, and it's incredibly amazing music, and definitely like just gets you going. At least it does for me. Something else that's classic that gets me going is number 8, which is Smashing Pumpkins' Cherub Rock. Billy Corgan's a pretty big weirdo, but Smashing Pumpkins, old school Smashing Pumpkins, it doesn't get any better in terms of like just rock. Like it's I love it. And that song specifically definitely gets me in the mood to pump some iron, but so does number 9. Mumford & Sons. The song is The Wolf. Now, Mumford & Sons, you know, I love Mumford & Sons. They're one of my current favorite bands. I just love I love banjos, I love mandolins, I love guitar, I love acoustic, like, instrumental bands like them. And, I absolutely love the song The Wolf. When I heard it, it was like, it comes at you so hard in the beginning, and how do you like this, right? I'm definitely not a music critic or giving up my day job talking about ball powder. But The Wolf, when it hits, it's just one of those songs that I can't get enough of, and I'll listen to like over and over and over. You know what else I will? Number 10. Linkin Park featuring Jay-Z, Numb, Encore. If you guys are interested and like that song, there's a YouTube video of them performing that in Central Park, and that song, when it like really like steps it up like towards the like later part of that song and sort of really gets after it, I get goosebumps. I get goosebumps every damn time I listen to that song, and it's just an incredibly inspirational like song to get you fired up. Two people that I absolutely love, or two bands, Jay-Z and Linkin Park. Unfortunately, Chester, man, come on, dude, what am I gonna do now? But if you're into Linkin Park, you probably dig Fort Minor too, and they're pretty solid. Number 11 is the Foo Fighters, the song The Pretender. Band is Filter, the song is Hey Man, Nice Shot. I'm not the hugest like Filter fan, but to be honest, I've never listened to a whole lot of their music, but whenever it comes on Pandora, I definitely rock out to that one, and I feel like it is definitely one of those songs that gets you going. And the last one, number 13, was a sentimental favorite of mine. When I first heard it, I was like, dude, this is incredible. And I still think it's incredible and love working out to it. It is The Executioners featuring Linkin Park. The song is called It's Going Down. That's it, my list of 13 songs that are absolutely critical for me when I'm working out, guys. What is this? Exactly. I have no idea. I'm losing my mind because I'm so jacked up now and I need to go bench press like 350 for reps of like 12. Gentlemen, down in the comments, let me know what your favorite video is, and make sure to give this one a big Alpha M musical thumbs up.